Now, let's talk about as much as we can because charges will be brought. This is about the alleged assault on Roderic O'Gorman while on a canvas. Not a great development.
No, bad for our democracy when basically an elected representative can't go out and canvass door to door without being assaulted. So that's the serious nature of the incident that we're dealing with here on a more fundamental level, on a more practical level. A man is due in court today following this incident on Saturday. Roderic O'Gorman had said that it took the intervention of his Garda protection officer, who's assigned to him as a cabinet minister, to intervene and stop this incident and prompt the arrest and the charges that will follow today. So clearly it was of a sufficiently serious nature for a member of Garda Síochána to step in. We can't send out a member of the Guards with every single candidate in the country. And Roderic O'Gorman has spoken as well about how he is repeatedly being targeted by people for abuse. This incident on a more serious level, even further. So, I think unfortunately this is the start of what we're going to see a bit of during the course of this campaign. We don't know what the motivations of this individual were, but we were seeing in the local and European elections that canvassers from across the political spectrum, from Sinn Féin to Fine Gael, were being obstructed in going about their democratic duty by people who were deciding that they didn't want posters put up in an area, that they didn't want a particular neighbourhood being canvassed because they themselves were deciding what would happen in their neighbourhood.
Mm.